Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 12th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2024. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all some homemade maple pudding. I gotta warn you, it is very rich, but it is the bomb.com delicious, and as always, so simple and easy to make. Everybody's gonna love and enjoy this, and it's full of maple flavor. A great little treat to have on a cozy fall day. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. So grab your half and half and your maple syrup, sugar, because we're about to make some maple pudding magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my large pot, I have my fire over medium-low heat. We're going to add in 2 extra large eggs. And into our eggs, we're going to add in 2 cups of half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream, or you can use 1 cup each. Next, we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of table salt, 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And the cornstarch is our thickener. And last but not least, the star of the show, the maple syrup. We're going to add in 1 cup. And this is my homemade maple syrup that I made on my last video. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. Or you can use store-bought. Make sure it's good quality and use pure maple syrup. And give it a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. And I love this recipe because it's all in one pot. So now we're going to let it cook for about 20 minutes until the custard thickens. All right, my friends, the custard is nice and thick. See? That looks great. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Nothing like the smell of maple. So now there's 3 more things we got to add to it. 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1.5 teaspoons of pure maple extract, and stir until it's well blended and the butter melts. And I cut my fire off. All right, my friends, I am through stirring my pudding and the butter has melted. Now we're going to pour it into my large bowl. This pudding will also be great to put on your cakes and an awesome base for pies. Alrighty, now we're going to cover it with plastic wrap to help the skin from forming. And that's it, my friends. Our pudding is complete. How simple and easy was that? All we do is place it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill completely for about 2 hours. Then after that, I'll transfer the pudding into serving cups and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Homemade maple pudding. Doesn't that look good? And I'm serving it with some homemade whipped cream. I'll post a link to my whipped cream recipe down below in the description box. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Creamy, decadent, and I can taste the maple. It's so dreamy, I'm in heaven. This maple pudding is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Maple pudding-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and happy fall.